Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Precious the First. Welcome to another episode, my 4-week challenge of making one outfit in 4 weeks. So we've completed week 1, week 2, and we're still left with week 3 and week 4. I actually have been so busy behind the scenes. I've had a lot on my hands. I'll still be telling you about all that. And so that was why I wasn't able to film a behind the scenes, on the making of the outfit I made. I've really kept up with this challenge, truth be told, because in the past week I made not one, not two, but three. I completed 3 sewing projects in 1 week. It wasn't easy.
We go explain because no evidence.
But I regret, that I wasn't able to film a behind the scenes. However, I filmed a tutorial on each of the sewing projects I carried out, and those tutorials are up on my sewing channel. I know that, yeah, I'm still owing you guys 2 weeks, and I'm here to complete the 3rd bagging. In today's video, I'll be making a funnel corset. It's actually a trending corset, and I have started drafting the pattern backstage, and so I'll just be carrying you along each process that I do. These are the patterns, by the way. And these are the patterns. This is the side fronts. I just labeled them. There are so many patterns. Corset patterns could be quite segmented, so these are the patterns. I have both the front and the back patterns. Okay, this is how they look like, and this is the fabric I'll be using to make the blouse. And I've already cut out my lining, as you can see, and I already attached air stay to the fabric in order to give it more strength. So these are all the patterns that I have with me. I'll be showing you what I'll do next with these patterns. And so I have the bustier parts. This is the bustier parts, okay, of the funnel corset. I have already pieced them up. All the whole process behind this were captured in the tutorial, which is on my channel. So this is what I have, and this is how I don't know if you can see me, but this is how the bustier looks like. Okay, and I already cut out the lining as well, so I've stitched the lining. You can see the seams inside, and this is the right side of the lining. So I'm going to be placing the right side of this lining now to the bustier this way. Okay, so now that that is done, I will be stitching, up here and all around this bustier, but I will just be leaving an opening underneath so I can turn this to the right side. So I'll just do that backstage, and I'll show you what I will do next.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
As you can see, I have attached all the pieces together, and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like at the back. All right, and I have also done the same for this bustier part here. I have done the same for this bustier part. I'm not with my mic, right? Okay, I just hope you can hear me. I'm not using my mic. Anyways, I've done the same for this bustier part, and you can see how the back looks like. Okay, so I have started inserting the boning channels. Okay, I've started inserting the boning channels, but I'm not yet done. I will show you how I inserted these boning channels. I have Regline boning here. I inserted Regline boning in these channels. I have this normal plastic boning as well. I might use it, I might not use it at the end of the day, but this is a Regline boning in here. So I'm going to be taking the Regline boning is the sewable boning Let me just bring it up close so you see anyways. And this plastic one is one that you can't sew on top of. Okay, so these are the two bonnings I'll be using, and it's already coming to shape. All right, like you can see how this looks like. If I put this on me, now I look funny trying to keep this bustier in place. Okay, and then I put it this way. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is coming together beautifully. For the back, I have already attached my Regiline boning to the back piece. Okay, and this is how it looks like. That's how it looks like at the wrong side as well. So let me just show you how I'm going to insert this.
Anybody who got eyes can't see, she just wanna dance and tease. 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 Dance and tease, man. How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's how me have my head stiff. Yeah. No cash. Because who cares? Time just say yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody come by me. The guy I twist and turn, yeah. The guy I twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have no twist and turn, yeah. You twist and turn, Your body drive me crazy, Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight.
I have inserted even the hard boning inside, and this is what I have. So right now I'll be attaching this Regiline boning on this area, but I won't be doing that on the fabric itself. I will be doing that on the lining. So I'm going to be attaching the Regiline boning this way, like it's going to be facing, like the curve will be facing backwards. So I'm going to be aligning it from one part of the funnel looking neckline all the way to the other part of the funnel looking neckline, and I'm doing that on the lining, not the fabric. Okay, so I'm just going to do that.
Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and feet. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. Yeah, but she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like the body that me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the type that you need. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Why you want to run like a nothing? I think that's how me have my head stiff. Yeah, no fair, no cash. Because too many times you say yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody come by me. The guy a twist and turn, yeah. The guy a twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have no, yeah, twist and turn, yeah. The guy a twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight and me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen. You've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different.
So guys, I'm done with this sewing project and this is the final result. If you ask me, I would rate this an 8. I'm so happy about the way this outfit turned out. It looks so beautiful and flattering, and I'm just happy that I was able to complete week 3 of this challenge. Hopefully I would be able to complete week 4 soonest. So guys, I'm thinking of adding a modesty panel to the back, something to make the outfit more modest. If you know me, you know I just like making my outfits more versatile, something I could wear to church, to work, or other occasions without feeling insecure about my body being exposed. So I already modeled it with a strap and it looks good, but I'm thinking of adding a sleeve. So guys, what do you think? Would the modesty panel make it better? Would the sleeves be a perfect addition? Would the straps be okay? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till I see you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.